Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to Switch Live Garage with your boy KT, still keeping it G. I wanted to go ahead and make this video to fill you guys in on a situation that happened with the truck. As you guys know, I did pick up a new vehicle and I've been using it as my daily, to be quite honest, just because it has AC, it's a nice ride, it's higher up off the ground, it's a lot safer, has more room. Not to say that two-door coupes and stuff or I'm getting rid of my vehicles, but just to let you guys know that I have been using the truck mainly. But anyways, about the situation that had happened, one weekend, you know, I was out with some friends. I was driving the Harley truck. We were on the feeder of the highway. If you guys don't know what a feeder is exactly, you have your highway and then a road on the lower end that follows along with the highway for like exits and stuff. I'm just explaining that because I know it's kind of different in some countries and states and stuff. So we were driving on the farthest left and I had to swerve to the right pretty quickly. So swerve to the right and then try to come back into the lane. But I guess I moved too fast, too violently, came back into the lane, hit the front rim on the curb, corrected it to the middle, but already by then the rear had fishtailed and hit the curb pretty hard, which caused the wheel to break off on the axle shaft. I'm going to show some pictures and stuff so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But the axle itself didn't break, but the axle shaft did, along with tearing off where the bolts would bolt up for the caliper, for the disc brake, what have you. So as that happened, the wheel went maybe 20 feet ahead of us in the grass. But when the wheel left, the truck and the rear end had hit the ground and we did like a little 180. There was no cars around really, but the first vehicle to pull up, which was a blessing, was a tow truck driver. So right away, he didn't even see the accident happen or anything. It probably took about 10-15 seconds for him to pull up after the accident had happened. So it was pretty cool. Right away, no cops pull up, anything, no one pulls up, and we finally go ahead and get towed out of there. I got the wheel, everything, and towed it to a friend's house. Now I did go out to a junkyard and get another axle. I wasn't able to get a Lightning or a Harley axle. The difference on those is that they have a LSD differential. So that wasn't really an issue because I did strip apart my rear axle and took all the parts that was still good and put on the other axle, which just had your normal differential with the free floating spider gears or whatever you guys call them. So that was taken care of, but as the truck had hit the corner, it had moved the rear quarter bed outwards, so everything wasn't aligning as it should. And also when the tow truck driver picked up the truck, it had cracked the fiberglass of the bed, which, I mean, we were just lucky to have that guy with there for us, everything. So, you know, I wasn't really trying to trip. So that had happened, and so I got that fixed real quickly. The front suspension, the lower ball joint had became loose from hitting the curb, and as well I was able to get the wheels redone. So, you know, good thing it wasn't that bad of an accident, just real quick able to get some things done. I did have quite a few issues with the body shop I took the vehicle to. I'm not really going to speak on that because yeah, I don't know, that's just frustrating really. And so on the next video or on some of the future videos, if you see the truck doesn't have the stripe on the rear bed, it's because I was having to deal with this body shop and it's an all-out headache. And like I said, I don't want to speak on that, but everything has been taken care of, you know, and everything is back to normal. But I really wanted to inform you guys, fill you guys in on the situation that happened, just because, like I said, on some of these future videos, I know some people may have some questions for me. Why does it have this marking, or why is this, why is that? I just like to fill my followers in with everything that goes on. Like I said, it's kind of like a video of the cars themselves. It's not about me, it's about the builds, it's about the vehicle and just how to do things and giving you guys that knowledge. Well, hopefully you guys understand the reason for this video, and hopefully I didn't confuse anyone with the story. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section as well. So definitely I'm gonna have some videos on the Harley truck. I wasn't able to get video of me actually fixing it just because I'm moving real fast and recording does not help me at all. If I'm by myself doing my work, I get things done real quickly. But like I said, I got everything done real quick. I still have the $200 giveaway going on right now. All you guys have to do is comment below on any of the videos before I hit 5,000 subscribers. It could be a comment about anything. It really does not matter. And I'll put your name in to win the $200. But alright guys, I'm going to have to catch you on the next video, alright?